Question from Nate Smith at Virginia Tech, class of 2020. Nate writes, last August, I started investing. I began by reading the Motley Fool Investment Guide book by Tom and David Gardner, and I've seen a 17% gain in value from my picks in the first 7 months. Well done, sir. My investment strategy has been based on industries and companies I understand, solid financials, future markets, and my timeline goals that I have for the stocks that I buy. The one aspect that I'm not familiar with is what to look for in the company's management. Any advice you could give me would be helpful. Thanks for your time and the amazing investment advice I've gained from the Motley Fool. Let's just go around the table real quick. Jason, you're up first. How do you like to evaluate management?
Yeah, that's a little bit more squishy, right? A little bit more subjective, but there are good ways to do it. He mentioned a key word in reading. I think that you look to the things that management is writing, and this time of year is a great one because a lot of the businesses that we really like, Markel, Amazon, Boston, Omaha, Berkshire Hathaway, they're putting out their letters to shareholders. Go read those letters to shareholders. The neat thing is they have a library that dates all the way back to when they started them, which means there are a lot of letters to shareholders to read out there, but they give you an idea of management's narrative, the things that they're saying they want to do. Then you can hold them to their actions. I think that's one easy way to do it.
Jim?
I would agree with you read the annual letters because you do get a sense of how management talks. And while you're doing so, and while you're going through the management and discussion part of the 10K, the annual report, pay attention to how they handle adversity. Do they blame the weather, or do they blame something else, or do they say, "Yeah, we messed up, and we're going to fix this"?
Emily?
Everyone's so focused on reading. The thing that I like to do the most is listen. I mean, look, annual letters, they're great. I agree. They're important for getting an idea about how management views the business. But they spend a lot of time planning those out and spending time thinking about how they say certain things. So whenever I like to look at management, I like to actually physically listen to their earnings calls. Granted, the first statements are kind of pre-prepared, but the way that they handle questions is interesting. You can tell when management is passionate and excited about the business based off the way that they talk. So for me, I mean, the first step is just feeling like I'm getting to know them as a management team, as people, and that involves physically listening to their earnings calls to me.